Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This is my personal experience using the product, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're diving into the Mycelium Bitcoin wallet, accessible at https://wallet.mycelium.com. This platform provides a robust and secure way to manage your Bitcoin holdings. Mycelium has established itself as a reputable name in the crypto space, offering a mobile-first approach to Bitcoin management. Accessing the wallet through the provided link takes you to their main informational website, which details the key features and advantages of using their wallet application. It's important to understand that you'll need to download the Mycelium app for Android or iOS to actually utilize the wallet functionality. The website serves primarily as a resource hub and a gateway to downloading the app. They emphasize their commitment to security and decentralization, highlighting features like full control over your private keys and seamless integration with hardware wallets. For users seeking a deeper understanding of Bitcoin and secure storage solutions, Mycelium presents a strong option. The site lays out its commitment to open source development, adding another layer of transparency and trustworthiness for potential users. They showcase the diverse functionalities of the app, from basic sending and receiving to more advanced features that cater to experienced Bitcoin users. Navigation on the site is user-friendly, allowing visitors to quickly find information on specific topics like supported hardware wallets, security best practices, and details on the company behind the platform. While the website itself doesn't provide the wallet functionality directly, it serves as a comprehensive introduction to the Mycelium ecosystem and its focus on secure and user-friendly Bitcoin management. The information presented underlines their dedication to user privacy and empowers individuals to take control of their digital assets. They clearly guide users towards downloading the necessary mobile applications for a full-fledged Bitcoin wallet experience.